Hello there, guys. Welcome back to Just Sophia. So, guys, today we talk about best online businesses to start as a beginner. So now these are businesses or online hustles that you don't need prior experience or you don't need to have studied in college for you to be able to do them. So if you are a newbie out there, if you are looking for something that you can do online to earn money, this is your video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I do how to make money online, personal finance, personal development, side hustles, and any other thing that will develop you financially or individually. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. And let's get into the video. So the first online business that you can start as a beginner is freelance writing. I started freelance writing. I didn't actually study it in college. I just started it because I am passionate about it. So ever since I was in high school, I just loved writing. So when the opportunity presented itself in terms of me getting fired, I simply jumped in with my full self because it is something that I had always desired to do. I just didn't know that it existed. I didn't know that I could write for money. So now I know. So freelance writing, you can start without any prior experience as long as you have the desire to, and then maybe there is an area that you love writing in. For example, if it is a home improvement, if it is about parenting, you want to share with the world about your parenting journey. You want to share with the world about your pets or your journey, fitness journey, or anything related, just anything that you like to share the world with, you can write about. So now, if you are passionate about writing and you have an idea of what you want to share with us, you can become a freelance writer. All you need to do is to just read about it a little bit. So you can go to Google and search for how to get started as a freelance writer, or what is content writing, or what is article writing. Just type in anything. Google will give you so many answers. You'll be able to self-train yourself. There are also trainers who train people. There are courses on Udemy, on Skillshare that you can learn from. So now, after training yourself or getting trained, you can then create a profile on any freelancing site such as Upwork, Fiverr.com, people per hour, and then start bidding for jobs. So that is all that you need to get started as a freelance writer. Number 2, you can become an SEO expert. So now SEO is what will make your website to rank on Google or any other search engine. By the way, now that most people are now building websites, this service is actually lucrative. Like, many people are looking for SEO experts right now. And with Google updates, I am one of them. I am one of the victims. Oh, it hits so hard, guys. So now it pays if you can hire the services of an expert to check your website and maybe improve on SEO and make it rank better. So you can become an SEO expert and earn from it. Also, you can look for these services on sites such as freelancer.com or upwork.com. You can also advertise your services on social media. Number 3, you can become a social media manager. Yes. If you love spending your time on social media, you love reading comments on Facebook, you love watching videos on TikTok, you love being on Instagram or any other social media platform, then you qualify to be a social media person and manager. Yeah. Good at creating content, of course, not just consuming. You need to be good at creating content and then also engaging with your audience. So now, if you are able to do that for yourself, you have built a social media audience and you have reached a certain level, you can also do that for another person and earn from it. So again, you can search for these jobs on Upwork. You can also advertise your services on social media. Number 4, you can become an influencer. Yes. How many of us have bought things just because we saw an influencer wearing it. I know I have. Most of the time you'll see like not media, but social media personalities wearing a certain clothes, a certain shoes, a certain necklace, certain earring, and you'll see in the comment section people asking for the plug. This is how you can earn as an influencer marketer. Yeah. So now most businesses now are recognizing the importance of influencer marketing. So they know that it is another way to market their businesses or their products, and they are embracing it. So what you need to do to become to become an influencer, you need a large social media following. So once you have grown your social media following to a certain level, you can now approach brands as a social media influencer and earn through ads, through ad campaigns, sponsored posts, events, and more. So you can check some of the sites where you can get influencer gigs. Include upfluence.com. We have aspireq.com. We have socialbakers.com. So by joining these sites, you'll be connected to businesses that want to spread a word about their products or services, and then they will hire you to become an influencer marketer. Number 5, and the last one, you can become a transcriptionist. So transcription involves turning audio files or video files into text. You simply listen and type exactly what you have heard. So you need very good listening skills. You also need very high typing speed. So now, if you feel that you qualify to be a transcriptionist and it is something that you want to do, you can visit sites such as transcribeme.com, rev.com, and which one else? GoTranscript.com. So those are some of the sites where you can get transcription jobs. Also, although you can also check on sites such as Fiverr.com or Upwork.com for more jobs. So guys, those are the 5 best online businesses that you can start as a beginner. I hope that you can start any of these businesses I have mentioned. You don't need prior experience to start them, but you can learn a thing or two if you are completely green. You can simply go to Google, type how to get started as a transcriptionist, learn something about transcription, and then start applying to those jobs. You can also come here on YouTube and search. You'll get a lot of videos explaining to you how to get started in any of those areas that I have mentioned. Learn a skill and then use it to make money online. You can supplement your income with it if you are on another job. You can also start and grow it big, and then you can now make it your full-time employment. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope you have learned something. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking the red button. Thank you so much for being on this channel. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I really value you. So let's meet on the next Make Money video. Thank you and bye.